I'm using the eyebrow scissors, tweezers, the eyebrow pencil, brow gel, and a concealer or foundation of your choice. You will also need a spoolie. That's probably the most important part. This is an eyebrow tutorial, by the way, so here's the before and after. By no means am I anybody's makeup artist, but this is how I make myself look decent before I walk out the house. My routine has actually changed quite a bit since I filmed this video, but here's the gist of it. Hopefully I can help someone out. It's gonna look crazy at first. Just follow along. Step 1, you're brushing your eyebrows out, getting the hairs sorted out, detangled into place, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm just gonna make an outline for the shape of the brow that I want. I'm using the scissors to trim any hairs that are too long, and then I'm going to be tweezing out any outliers. You could also use an eyebrow razor if you're comfortable with that. You just want to make sure you're really getting this area clean and free of any excess hair that's not going to be a part of the look. Once I get the shape I want, then I'm going in and filling in any sparse areas. I use a lighter hand towards the front of my brow to get the little ombre fade. I feel like that looks more natural. Now using my foundation or concealer, I'm going to be cleaning up the area around the eyebrow that I filled in. This actually really makes a difference. I'm using a small angled brush. Be careful cleaning it up because you can overdo it, and you will see that I did exactly that in a few seconds. Yup. It's okay, we can fix it. We don't deserve beauty gurus because filming and trying to make it, this is hard, okay? I'm just going back in with my pencil, filling in the areas that got a little too clean. Brow gel. For anybody who has curly, unruly brows like me, this is it. Once again, brushing everything into place, making it look decent. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to look better than it normally would. And then I'm just repeating this entire process on the other side. Remember, they are sisters, not twins, more like cousins or stepsisters, best friends maybe. Just don't beat yourself up. If you're a perfectionist like me, I know the frustration, but it don't work like that. The more you do your eyebrows, the more you'll get into a groove of knowing how you like them, how thick you like them, how thin you like them, how full, how natural, whatever. And this is basically my everyday look, if that. Can't forget the highlight. But that's basically it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next one.